Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about updates that Prodigy needs to add to the game. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So before I do start talking about this, I want to say to like and subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We just hit 500. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, let's get on to the video now. So the first thing that we are going to be talking about is something in the arena, and that is the amount of days that this goes on for. It goes on for way too long. I'm pretty sure it goes on for about 120 days. Right now we're about 9 days away from it being over, which is good. I'm not sure why it's not loading. So the arena season started on October 7th, which means it was 115 days ago, and we still have 9 more days for it to go. Basically, actually 10 because of the 4 hours left right now. So that means that it's going to take a total of 124, 125 days for it to finish. And yeah, I think they should move this down to about 60 or 70 days. It's way too long. Most of the people that have finished it or want to finish it have already finished it, like me, or they aren't going to finish it because they don't really care. There aren't really any people that are trying to do last minute grinding right now. And yeah, that's one of the updates, and I'll go on to the other ones. So the next update that they need to add is to get these stores, bookstores, whatever you want to call them, back in the game. Well, they were actually never in the game, but it said that they were going to release them like it was. They were working on it. The message would pop up saying that. And then one day it just all of a sudden disappeared. And ever since, nothing has come of it. No one knows what's going to happen to it. And yeah. So obviously one of the updates that I'm going to be talking about is that they need to add more, or they need to get the pedestals they need to at least add like 1 or 2 gyms that you can put in, because it's very annoying. Prodigy is going to lose a bunch of players if they don't add the pedestals. And yeah, Prodigy has said that they want to keep people playing so that people keep playing and the game just doesn't end. But they're just going to keep losing players. They're not going to gain as many. If they were to add these back, they would probably get a lot of players to come back and add a few more. So yeah, that is another update that they need to do. The next update that I think that they should add is to add more stuff like crystal caverns, because really there's not really anything more to do in the game once you have completed it, and this would add more things for people to do once they have finished everything else. Another thing that they should add is to Lamplight Town, and that is to actually give it a meaning in the game. Right now, it is probably the worst map in the whole game. All it does is just add new towers, and it has actually taken away a bunch of towers from me. But the one specific thing I think that they should add is to, so if you go all the way down here, it says Hat Shop. But if you press go on it, it says play more and shop. Spend more time playing Tower Town to buy your favorite hats. So, as it seems, or as we know, these hats have not actually come into the game. I don't think anyone has gotten this. So it would be good if they actually did stuff to get it back, or to add the hats into the game. The next thing that Prodigy should add is to add a storm or an ice titan. It may make this part a little crowded because as it shows, the titan is going to be down here and crystal caverns is right here, which means that these have to get smaller, which is why we might not see an ice tower coming out or an ice titan coming out very soon. The last thing that I think Prodigy should do as an update is to make it so that you can do a quest that lets you harness shadow magic, kind of, or like master it so that you can use it to your advantage and not fall into its trap, as Prodigy would probably say. Like, we already have an astral relic and all the other relics, we just don't have a shadow relic. So I think it would be a good idea for them to add a shadow relic so that you can get, or so that you can use shadow magic. So yeah, that's pretty much going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.